In this video, I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone Wi-Fi grayed out. Don't panic, this is a common iOS issue. Follow the simple steps to fix it. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. Restarting clears temporary system glitch many times. Wi-Fi comes back after a simple reboot. Step 2. Turn airplane mode on, then off. Go to settings, then airplane mode. Turn it on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This resets wireless connections. Step 3. Reset network settings. Go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone, then reset. Choose reset network settings. This removes saved Wi-Fi passwords but often fix the issue. Step 4. Check screen time restrictions. Go to settings, then screen time, then content and privacy restrictions. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth changes are allowed. Restrictions can gray out Wi-Fi. Step 5. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update, then tap on update. Wi-Fi bugs are often fixed in new updates. Step 6. Remove VPN or profiles. Go to settings, then search for VPN and device management. Tap on it, then disable or remove any VPN or configuration profile. Some VPNs block Wi-Fi controls. Step 7. Check for hardware issue. If Wi-Fi stays grayed out even after reset, it may be a Wi-Fi chip or motherboard issue, common after drops or water damage. And that's it. Those steps fix Wi-Fi grayed out problems for most iPhones. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.